I feel afraid, insignificant and alone. Like if I just disappeared, would you really notice? Darkness, confusion and grey. Something is pulling me down, holding on to me and it won't let go. No matter how much I try to fight it and break free, screaming for some kind of relief, a moment to breathe. I'm underwater, crying out for someone, but my words don't make a sound. They tell me it's just a phase. I won't be like this forever, it's just a part of being an angsty teen. But how do I tell them at 11, 12 and 13 I wanted nothing more than to disappear? People ask me, why are you sad? I tell them that I don't know. What I do know is that I wake up every single day feeling like I'm not good enough, and that everyone around me would be better off walking away. Those thoughts have become part of me. For 17 years of my life, I felt misunderstood. For 17 years of my life, people have looked at me and made up their minds before giving me a chance. For 17 years, I've been working to understand myself. It's exhausting. But sometimes it isn't about all of that. Some days it helps to look at something other than myself. Whether it be my work, my closest friends, and the silly things they do to make me laugh, or how the world around me is changing. Sometimes the best way to cope is to let all my walls down and let me be me.